I say cheese. I ain't never mad, cause that chick is my dad. Hey! Valentina Little Shorts, huh?
All your stuff in the closet still laying all over your butts.
That's not mine.
You said those your stuff.
Liar! Come on.
Your undies are still laying on your
Boo, that's his. Valentina Little Shorts. Where you going, Valentina? You can go eat with Anthony. Liar, you know you're gonna go somewhere with Anthony. Hey, Niggero. Oh, snaps, this is the wrong room. I walked in the wrong room. Trying to lie, trying to say all that stuff. Man, I'll pop you, hey, Kelly.
Your jacket, your towel, supposedly, and your swimming shorts, and your damn sun jersey, and your boxes.
Fuck those boxers. Leave them somewhere. Everybody don't know that. Hotter than me. I ain't never mad, cause that chick is my dad. Hello, people on planet Earth. How can you focus? No. Hold on, don't mess with that. No. I'm never mad, cause the chick is my dad. Can it turn for me?
What's on there now?
Me. I'm on. Cause I'm never mad, cause your chick is my dad. Is that Brandon? How did that fool get in? How'd you get in? Was it open?
Yeah, it was
DJ.
What are you doing?
Recording.
I'm jacking this. You can't find a love like this.
You charging your iPod right now?
You're gonna be on MySpace, Val.
You charging your iPod right now?
Yeah.
I get it when you're done. No, I'm still beating my milk.
I'm still beating.
Who's this? Nigga, this ain't this ain't Kelly. This is Anthony.